What's the meaning of antacid? Antacid. 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 Antacid.
Antacids are medications that help neutralize stomach acid. They work by raising the pH level of the stomach, which decreases the amount of acid in the stomach. This can help alleviate symptoms of heartburn, acid indigestion, and other conditions caused by excess stomach acid. Antacids can come in many forms, including tablets, liquid suspensions, and chewable tablets. Some antacids also contain other ingredients that can help with digestion or promote healing of the stomach lining. Overall, antacids can provide quick relief for symptoms related to excess stomach acid.